In Iceland, even the ground beneath your feet has a story to tell, especially when it's a volcano. Forget the beach. Iceland's volcano is where the real heat is. Don't just dream about adventure, embrace it, even if it means dodging a few volcanic eruptions in Iceland. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, quite literally, as we explore whether it's safe to travel to Iceland amidst its volcanic activity. Iceland, with its otherworldly landscapes and geological wonders, has been making headlines lately due to volcanic activity. But does this mean you should scratch it off your travel list? Let's break it down. First things first, let's talk safety. Iceland is renowned for its robust infrastructure and proactive monitoring of volcanic activity. The Icelandic Meteorological Office and the Civil Protection Agency work tirelessly to ensure the safety of residents and visitors alike. Experts continuously monitor seismic activity and provide real-time updates, allowing authorities to make informed decisions regarding safety measures and travel advisories. Iceland has stringent safety protocols in place. In the event of increased volcanic activity, authorities promptly issue warnings and adjust travel restrictions accordingly to ensure the safety of all individuals in the affected areas. But what about the impact on travel plans? While volcanic eruptions can disrupt air travel temporarily, airlines are well equipped to reroute flights or offer refunds in such situations. Moreover, Iceland's diverse attractions extend far beyond its volcanic activity. From cascading waterfalls to stunning glaciers, there's no shortage of natural wonders to explore. And let's not forget the unique opportunity to witness the raw power of nature up close. While safety is paramount, experiencing a volcanic eruption from a safe distance can be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. What caused the Iceland volcano eruption in 2024? The eruption started near Hagafell, about 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, northeast of Grindavik, according to the IMO. It came from a crack in the ground about 3.5 kilometers, 2.2 miles long, with lava flowing out at a rate of about 100 to 200 cubic meters per second. Iceland sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the North American and Eurasian plates pull apart. Melted rock, called magma, rises up because it's lighter than the surrounding rock. It gathers in magma chambers deep underground. When enough magma builds up, it pushes its way to the surface, causing volcanic eruptions. Will a volcano in Iceland affect flights? Even though Keflavik International Airport, Iceland's main airport, is only 20 kilometers north of the volcano, it's still open for flights. But the roads near Grindavik are closed due to the eruption. The tourist spot, which had reopened recently, had to shut down temporarily and evacuate visitors when lava started coming out of a new crack in the ground on Saturday night. However, flights to and from Iceland are not affected by the eruption. What are the disadvantages of volcanoes in Iceland? Volcanic eruptions bring about a mix of bad and good effects. On the downside, they disrupt flights, impact health, the economy, and the environment, and damage livestock and crops. But on the upside, they contribute to land formation, boost soil fertility, and attract tourists. A big topic in the research is how Iceland deals with these eruptions. The volcanic ash can harm the health of Icelanders because it contains harmful substances like carbon dioxide, sulfates, hydrochloric acid, and hydrofluoric acid, as mentioned by Gudmundsson in 2010. What is happening with the volcano in Iceland? The Reykjanes Peninsula hasn't seen volcanic activity for 800 years, and back then, it lasted for decades. Now it's experiencing its 7th eruption since 2021, and scientists think it might be the start of a new era of volcanic activity that could go on for decades or even centuries. Recently, a volcano in Iceland erupted for the 4th time in 3 months, and this time it's the strongest one yet. It started Saturday evening and is still going, but scientists believe it's likely to calm down soon. What is the safest active volcano to visit? Mount Etna is still very active, but it's considered pretty safe for tourists to visit. There are lots of walking trails you can take to hike up to the top and see the volcano. The biggest danger there is lava flows, which have caused damage in the past by covering homes and farms. Mount Etna is part of a protected area called the Mount Etna World Heritage Site, which is also part of the Parco dell'Etna Regional Nature Park. Can you tour the volcano in Iceland? You can go on a tour of Fagradalsfjall, the recently active volcano in Iceland. You have the choice to explore on your own or join a guided group with an expert leading the way. For those who want to experience both fire and ice in Iceland, check out the Katla Volcano Ice Cave Tour. This tour combines the power of a volcano with the beauty of a glacier. Whether you go solo or join a group, the guided tour can help you understand what you're seeing. Keep up to date on Iceland's volcanic eruptions. Travelers heading to Iceland in 2024 will be aware there has been a series of volcanic eruptions on the Reykjanes Peninsula in southwest Iceland, not far from Keflavik International Airport, the main entry point to the capital Reykjavik. No flights have been affected so far, and the rest of Iceland is safe to visit. The volcanic activity has only affected the town of Grindavik and the local area. All roads to Grindavik and the surrounding area are closed due to danger related to new crevasse openings. Hiking in the area is also prohibited. Icelanders have asked lava chasers to respectfully stay away. The Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most popular attractions, also closed for a series of days due to seismic activity in the area, but has since reopened. The UK Foreign Office recommends checking alerts and advice from Icelandic Met Office and Safe Travel Iceland. Regarding travel safety to Iceland with the volcano, it's essential to stay updated with the latest information from reliable sources such as local authorities and travel advisories. While volcanic activity can impact travel plans, Iceland has well-established safety protocols in place to manage such situations. It's advisable to monitor the situation closely, consider travel insurance, and consult with travel experts if needed to make informed decisions about your trip. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when traveling to areas prone to natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and updates. Safe travels, adventurers!